back to another episode of Portraits with Strangers. It is a slow weekend, and we have another shoot to do. Oh Lord, it's a lot of people. So we've got a shoot with Leanne. I'll find out how to pronounce her name in a bit. But yeah, she is another stranger I've reached out to, and I think I reached out to her back, if I'm not mistaken, around December or January, and yeah, we got her situated for a shoot, and let's see how things go. Now, there is a lot of noise, more than usual. I don't know if it's a generator or whatnot from one of the buildings, but it is louder and windier. But yeah, let's go see Leanne. Dapat last year pa, pero nga pandemic, diba? And I just wanted to start something different. I'm sorry. How do you pronounce it? Is it Leanne?
Leanne.
Leanne. Okay. I want to make sure I don't get your name wrong.
Wala ko rin mag-stream na ako ulit kasi nag-pause ako kasi nga nag-focus ako sa work kasi kailangan ko sustentuhan yun eh, diba?
Yeah.
Kasi nag-i-too focus sa work. Yun, naghaharap na ako. Nag-build rin ako ng setup ko. Yeah. So ngayon ka sa cosplaying muna kasi hindi mo naman kailangan gawin yung live eh, diba? Pwede mo ganito, tapos post na next time.
Yeah, in photos lang, True. Pero sorry, you've been cosplaying for how long?
Ano na, magpa 1 year na. 1 year pa lang kasi nag-pause ka ng pandemic.
Yeah.
Nakakainis.
And there we go. That's the end of the third video. A big thank you to Leanne, who's our model in the video, our stranger for this episode. And as usual, I'll link her social media in the bottom, in the description box below. Be sure to drop by, leave a like, comment, and say hi and all that. She has some interesting content, so be sure to check out her pages. And yeah, third episode. I guess we're pretty committed to this thing already. Now, for the setup, of course, we're using the A7 III for video, not for video, for photos, with the 85 1.8 and the 28 f2. And then we were using for video my phone, which is set up as a monitor right now. And temperature's dropping and getting pretty cold. I don't want to get caught in the rain, so I'll leave it at there. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Time to pack up. Weather's not good. See you guys.